Alright, so you can see from the manual, that's where they go. So, let's see here. This here, actually let's start with hard drive, positive. Usually the colored wire is positive, white wire is negative. So this is plus here. Minus here. Reset. And power switch. There, like that. It's that easy.
Complicated.
Alright, you'll have a power connector on the motherboard right here. So this will drop right in. There we go. And you'll have another one right here. That's where these go.
I can't see over there.
Oh. Alright, so you'll have a couple of USB wires and audio wires coming from your case. Those go wherever you can find a spot. Here. Alright. Where did they put the audio port? Well, we don't need audio anyway, it'll come out the back. So, you'll have these here for your hard drive cables. And you can plug those into these gray ports right here. Now that one's not even plugged into a hard drive. Don't need that. I should have, for this particular motherboard, I should have gotten the L shaped like this instead of this. It's upside down. Yep. Alright, and there you have it. And obviously you'll already have these plugged in, but for your CD-ROM drives you'll have a power connector that looks like this, then your standard SATA connection, and you'll have that for each of your CD-ROMs and hard drives. And I believe that's all there is to it. You'll want to manage these wires. I usually use rubber bands, and the rubber bands just kind of keep the wires from hitting the fans and all that. So, well, that's all there is to it. Good luck. Bye.